I survived the endless cycle of trying every new diet and intense workout program only to feel discouraged and exhausted. I spent countless hours scouring for a routine that would fit seamlessly into my hectic life without compromising on results. I saved myself from frustration by discovering a straightforward approach that genuinely works: a simple 30-minute walk combined with targeted exercises to tackle belly fat. Here's how I built my daily routine: the 30-minute walk. I dedicated 15 minutes to a brisk walk in the morning and another 15 minutes in the evening. It's easy on the joints and incredibly effective for burning calories and boosting metabolism. Targeted exercises. Standing side crunches. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, bringing one knee up while crunching to the side. This exercise targets the obliques and helps slim down the waist. Bicycle crunches. Lying on your back, bring opposite elbows to knees in a cycling motion. This works the entire abdominal area, focusing on the lower abs. Plank variations. Holding a plank position or performing side planks strengthens the core and improves overall stability. Despite my initial challenges balancing time, overcoming fatigue, and staying motivated, I got through by tracking my progress and celebrating small victories. The results were beyond my expectations. I noticed a significant reduction in belly fat, a more toned physique, and a newfound boost in confidence and energy. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Embrace this simple 30-minute walk and the targeted exercises to transform your belly fat and overall health. Consistency is key, so keep at it and track your progress to stay motivated. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in description. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. 4O Mini.